Both independent engines of a twin engine aeroplane are unable to develop thrust immediately after proper takeoff. Which one of the following is not likely to have led to this situation assuming normal weather? Fuel related issues, pilot or software error, group of birds hitting plane, one bird hitting plane. Well, if one bird hits the plane and assuming it hits the engine, the other engine can still continue to function because the two engines are some distance apart from each other. So one bird hitting plane is not likely to have led to this situation. If it is group of birds, then yes, multiple birds can hit two engines and there may be dual engine failure due to that. Then fuel related issues. Even if there are multiple tanks, the fuel may be contaminated affecting both engines. Pilot or software error can also lead to dual engine related problems. So the correct answer is option D, one bird hitting plane.